Greetings, RoomKey users. We know that you folks are always adding to your team at your properties. Best practice here is to create for them a unique user and password. We do this so that they can audit, balance their work at the end of their shift daily. Okay, well, let's get started. So we're going to find our clerks area, and that actually lives in system config. So we'll come up here, we'll choose our clerks area, and then we can go ahead and add. Okay, next we can add the login name. So typically I would take into consideration what the person's name was. I might populate it here first. So in this case, I will create a fake username. So trainee Mick newbie is their name. So for that login, maybe something like a capital T, capital M, and maybe an MC. You could also add a number in there. You want to make this unique to all of RoomKey. Next, we need to make sure we have a PCI compliant password. So by selecting the password, we can update. I like to use telephone numbers, but we just need to make sure the password is 10 characters long. It must contain at least one uppercase letter. It must contain at least one lowercase letter, and it must contain at least one number. It can contain special characters, but it can't contain the login name. All right, so I'm going to use a phone number here, 970-331. 6261. All right, and then I'm going to add a capital R in this case and a lowercase k. We'll use that for now. And so of course we need to copy that. So we'll put that in. Okay, and so hopefully I did that correctly. All right, so this is a great opportunity to see what you would receive if your passwords did not match. So I'm going to try that again. All right, so we'll just make sure I put the right phone number in. So I'm going to do and capital R, lowercase k, capital R, lowercase k. Let's see if I got that right. Great, so we can proceed here. I am going to give Trainee McNewbie the default screen. This is not necessary, it's not mandatory, but I'm going to give them the property dashboard. This person's working at my front desk, and having them see the property dashboard as soon as they come in on shift sounds good to me. There's a lot of information in that area. All right, we need to consider our main user role too. So anyone who has to check in, check out people, or make payments, or maybe make adjustments, we need to make them an owner. Okay, so I'm going to select owner. The only people that we would assign the clerk ID to, the clerk user role, would be anyone in housekeeping or maintenance. It's very possible that they do some work at the front desk, checking in and checking out. And if that was the case, we would of course make them an owner. Otherwise, if they have no necessity to be doing the functionality at the front desk, we can make those users our clerk. Okay, we can get into that later when we're doing our housekeeping module. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to post my work. All right, so that's how we can add someone to our clerks. All right, hope you enjoyed that. Have a great day.